A bookstore. King's Palace. I'm sure it's a casino of some sort. Well, we have arrived. The Mesar. Mesar is German for knife. Alright, you guys. Hey. This is a quick one, actually. My video cut off just a minute ago. So maybe I'll walk around the block first. Do some more video here. People waiting out at the apotheca. It's a pharmacy. Yeah, when you see that green cross in America, I see weed stores. Unfortunately, that's not here. But there's lots of those crosses. Good luck someday. It's so much better for you than drinking. Yeah, this is a sushi bar. How cool. Teppanyaki. Alright. That's an old tram. There's some new ones. They look like they're from the 50s or 60s. I've yet to even go on one of the electric trams. I try to stay off the bus. I'd rather walk, to be honest with you. So we're right by my attorney's office. He's behind this vintage building here. This is a private medical center. He's actually there. I could go visit. I think here comes Eric, here comes trouble. He's really nice though. I'm so fortunate to have really cool consultants. Do you hear that? That was violin. That's a music school. So I went around the block mainly to extend this video a little bit because this camera likes to cut off at like 23 minutes and it makes a new file after that. Which I kind of like that and I kind of don't. The coats. It's that coat time of year. It's not extremely cold though. I mean, it's 6 degrees Celsius. That's like, it's in the 40s. Might even be like 49 or 48. This is a cinema. There's a lot of glare, I know. Let's go down this alley since we already went the other way. Evo Lounge and Restaurant looks pretty high end. See these penthouses up here? I'm always so curious what they look like inside. There's a lot of rooftop gardens. So what's interesting about a lot of these buildings, they're all dual use. There's like, usually on the bottom floor there's a business, and the upper floors are apartments. Protein. There's always that one obligatory window on these buildings too. Alright, so I think I'm going to wrap this video up because I'm right behind the butcher shop I'm going to. And I'm going to make another video a little later today using my phone at nighttime. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. You know, please like and subscribe. I want to monetize this channel. That'd be really cool. And I'll make better videos, I promise. I'll edit them and I'll do all that. Make them all jazzy if you guys help me get to just 1,000 subscribers. And I'm at 366, I think, today. So please help me out, you guys. Alright, everybody, have a great day. Good night. Good morning. And ciao, ciao.